Boy, we know the thief. We get the money, got police. Tonight we gonna unleash.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today I'm here with a hair review for you guys slash how I like to maintain this curly hair that I'm wearing. So just some quick specs on the hair. I'm wearing Uamazing Peruvian deep wave hair in the inches of 18-inch frontal and 3 20-inch bundles. For the frontal and the 3 bundles, I ended up paying $227.47, somewhere around there. I purchased this hair back in the end of February and I got the hair on February 26th, and I've been wearing it on and off between the months of February, and this is now November 1st. The hair came pretty fast. This is my first time wearing curly hair. At first I was very skeptical. I was not sure if this was gonna look nice on me, but I'm gonna insert some pictures of where I was rocking this hair just so you guys can see like how it looks on me besides the way it looks on me now. I didn't mention the frontal is a 13x6 frontal, and I just recently started learning how to construct my own units, and I did struggle to make the 13x6 frontal. When I finished constructing the unit, it was very humpy right here, so I ended up cutting off a lot of the lace and a lot of the hair. So I guess you could kind of say I manipulated it to become a 13x4. If you know how to rock 13x6 or even install 13x6 frontals, kudos to you, because I couldn't do it. If you probably end up getting the 13x4 frontal, the total price you'll end up paying might even become a little cheaper. So there's another tip for you guys. And yeah, so I purchased this hair, and as you guys can see, it's really, I was not mad at this purchase at all. I feel like it's pretty great hair. It's been holding up pretty good. One thing I like about this unit is that literally, like, if you like that big hair vibe, you can get big hair vibe with this hair. So if you probably end up adding like 4 bundles, you can get big hair vibes. Let me see, how big can it get?
It's Ovi the creator.
It stops right in my breast area. I'm gonna stand up so I can show you guys. It stops right here. I ended up making the unit really snug, so all I do is just basically I swoop my baby hair right here, as you guys can see, and all I do is tuck this and the lace in the back of my ear and go like that. It looks really natural like this, especially because it's curly hair. I like this better because I could just put it on anytime I want, take it off anytime I want, and not worry about, you know, trying to glue down the baby hairs and all that. So what I do is just take 1 pump of this Garnier Fructique Sleek and Shine and massage that through my hands. I mainly just focus here at the root, and then I basically just apply the rest to the ends of the hair and massage it through. And this is all I do. I don't want the hair to look like super shiny to the point where it looks fake. I don't add so much product to it. I just add water to it, and pretty much that's it. And the Sleek and Shine that I showed you guys. And that's because I don't want to end up having to wash the unit so often, because I feel like that's what also probably, like, you know, takes away from the longevity of you having the hair and causing the hair to shed and all that. So one thing I can say is that when I wash the hair, I get very minimal shedding. Very minimal shedding, probably like 5-6 hair strands, and that's if it's been lying around for a while. So today it was lying around for like probably like 4 days, and the most I would do is just use this wide tooth comb, go like this for the roots, no strands. This side is a little rougher today. I got 2 strands of hair. This is just water, no leave-in conditioner and nothing. This is just H2O, guys. So I'm gonna run my fingers through. It doesn't really shed. Especially when it's wet, it doesn't shed. So no shedding. Besides that 2-piece of strand, that I showed you guys when I combed out the hair. Other than that, I've had a really good experience with this wig. So if you think about getting this hair, definitely do your research. I always say do your research before you're about to spend your coins on something. If you guys have tried out this hair or are going to buy this hair, let me know about your experience down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bring out the best out of me. Now I'm gonna flex on you. Too many bags on me. Too many girls on me. Now I'm gonna flex on you.